Bro, I thought I was recording this whole morning, right? So this is the only trail we got in. So I pretty much was just waiting. So right, you saw price drop down here. I didn't really think that was a sell. I had to break something below, right? So I thought that was just a liquidity grab. So I waited, um, waited. The price came back, broke. We got in. It went for 800 pips. It's currently like floating, like four. That's what 400 pips. Um, hit TP1, hit TP2. I took my money at 800 pips, but I said it's probably gonna do the dash. But I just got what I needed to get. So, TP1, TP2 right here, TP1. TP1 should be 400. Yeah, so TP1 is 400 pips, TP2 is 600. So here are the TPs right here. And this is probably actually 340, but we say 350, fuck it. But yeah. But I thought I was recording this whole morning and I was not. So I was over here talking to myself. This is what time is this? What time we send this trade out? 10:02. So for 32 minutes I was talking to myself. And then well, really for like 50 minutes. I just recorded for just now. So up until 10:19, I was talking to myself. So the whole trade, talking to myself. But it's fine. So what made me take buy positions and what made me send the signal for buys was just that overall we know price is very, 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 very much buying, right? Even though we had some major drops. Now, if you just look at the stock market numbers, right? If you say like, yesterday was the worst day in history, things like that, you have to look at the month. So still on the month, those futures and stuff like that, the Dow, Nasdaq, they're still up like 3 or 4% on the month, right? So that's still profit. That's still climbing up. So you have to be able to pay attention. I mean, on the charts, you can see that as well. But I mean, you just have to have context clues. Like you have to think most of those people are not in the markets, right? They're only looking at investing in big companies. They're not looking to invest in smaller companies on the technical side and get in from a jump. Like how some people might have, did Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP and things like that, right? They mark it up just like this, right? And then they get in when it meets a certain criteria for them. So, you know, when people are panicking, it's the perfect time for us. It's the perfect time for us. So back up about 600 pips. So like I said, it's probably gonna do the dash. It's around TP1 again. So I just closed mine, in between TP2 and TP3, just because. So, but I mean, that's pretty much it, right? So I realize all of those things. Um, and then also on the technical side, because I am a technical trader. Um, or I just make money. I don't really care about the label, right? But knowing all those things and knowing that people panicking does not mean the market is actually crashing just yet. Um, it's very helpful. Like I said before, 4-0 on the week. I think this is like 600 pips, almost like 3,000 pips, something like that. So pretty modest, pretty modest, pretty modest, right? You see the dates. See the dates. So yeah, man, subscribe to the page, subscribe to the page. I'm not on here to try to sell you signals. I don't really care. Um, I had my time with that at MLMs, but yeah. And every week is not undefeated, right? You can go to my Instagram, you can see every week is not undefeated. I'm not here to say you a lie. And it's taking off. Times like this, I'll be like, maybe I should have held that. But I'm working on that though. TP3 just hit. TP3 just hit. So TP3 just hit 900 pips. Still dash. Just got up to 1,000 pips. Just hit TP4, 1,200 pips. Yeah, I'm thinking I should have held that bitch. And I usually do when it's like got rules. That's 3,000 on the week. So yeah, man. So I'm glad I did decide to record the rest of this, but I'm gonna pretty much end it, man. I'm pretty much, like I said, I took my money at 800 pips. You know, looking like I should have held, but I mean, profit is profit at the end of the day, especially when you're getting over a 1 to 2. But yeah, so subscribe to the page, more live trades, right? You see this is live, right? Thursday, August. Yeah, 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 yeah. Over 1,000. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Live chat. Right, live chat. Look at that. $600 a day. I'm out. See. So yeah, man. Y'all tap in. Subscribe to the page, man. Subscribe to the page. And yeah.